this example we're gonna use a schedule in order to assign breaks for people or unavailable time during the working hours of the day. So we go to arena, saying if we have 2 employees to operate in a public office, they're both working as part of a set of 2 people, and each one of them is assigned to 1 hour lunch break and 2 15 minutes break in the morning and another 30 minutes break in the afternoon. So let's see how it is done. So we need basic process, create, process, and dispose. Okay, very simple example. So we need here to be system in, okay, customers 1 every 10 minutes on average. Exports mean 1 every 10 minutes on average. So here is processing room, okay, and I'll come back to it in a second, and here is system exit. Okay, so we did say we have a set of 2 people, so we need the resources. The 2 people are, okay, George and Tony, and those people are set of a group of a set. Here if we call it set of operators, we have George and Tony. Okay, so we created 2 people in the set. Usually use a set when you don't know the name of the people and they're both working, and all what you care about is you just want to be helped as by 1 person. So we have the processing room here. So we will go seize delay release. An operator will be seized by the customer, delayed and released by the customer. So we need set and set of operator, and in this way we just need 1 person out of a set. If we mention it twice, so we need 2 people from the set. If we mention a specific resource, so we need this person as well to be available. So all the names here are the people needed in order for the job to be accomplished, as well as we need to do it on average. So they do 15 minutes. Okay, they do it as 15 minutes, but since we have 2 people, therefore it is much faster. So the arrival rate is 1 every 10 minutes, and the service rate or service time is 1 every 15 minutes. So let's do the schedule. We have schedule of employee 1. Okay, we click on duration to open the schedule. Okay, always the capacity of people is always equal to 1, because you cannot work twice the amount of work you could do, or your capacity is always equal to 1. So y-axis is always equal to 1. So we have 1 hour lunch break, 15 minutes lunch break, and another half an hour lunch break for the 2 people. So the time slot duration, it must be equal to the lowest break we have, which is 15 minutes. Okay, and the range slot, we have 8 hours per day, each slot of 15 minutes, so it will be almost 32. So we do it here as 34, and we repeat from the beginning. So this day will finish, the second day will be exactly the same. So we have here from day 1 0 processing time of the day, which is 8 in the morning, 8 hours of processing, which is 4 in the afternoon. Those numbers 0 and 4 and 8 just mean 4 hours of machining or processing. Okay, so in order to fill this one in, so we just click on top of those really fast. We keep our finger on the mouse and get out fast. So if he's got on a lunch break between 12 and 1, so this one, which means the operator is unavailable during this time. So here if he start at 8, so this one will be 9, 1, 2 and 3 till 4. If he's entitled to 15 minutes break in the afternoon or half an hour at 2:30, he's entitled to 10 minutes in the morning or 15 minutes, excuse me, at 9:30. So we do it like this, and so we fill it up and we fill we by clicking at the bottom. Okay, so this is a schedule for empty resource. It's based on schedule. Fixed capacity means available the whole day, and the schedule name is schedule of. We have a specific different breaks for every employee. We have to choose schedule allocated specific for every person here, and we have to mention it. If we run the program, it will works perfectly. Okay. So we have a look back at the schedule. The schedule here we need fill